guys, welcome back. Thanks for watching. This is going to be 11 from Stranger Things. This is one of my favorite series and I can't wait for the next season. Alright, so I've already put down my foundation and now I'm laying down my lines. I'm doing the version of 11 from the first season when she has very short hair, and now I'm just going to blend in all those lines. Once I'm done blending in these lines, I'm going to put in the highlights. Alright, highlight time. So now we're putting down the highlight and I'm making sure to blend those highlights in right before I start with my details. Okay, now I'm starting with my details. Her eyes are slightly bigger than mine and rounder, so I go ahead and make a round outline and line my waterline with the white NYX pencil. Now I'm just doing my details, laying down with my black and then blending in with a dry brush. Okay, now I'm going to start painting on the clothes. In the reference photo I'm using, she's wearing a dress and a blue jacket on top of that. So I'm going to start with the collar. I just laid down the white in the shape of the collar and then outlined it with black. And now I'm going to try and make it appear as if it's laying on top of my skin. So it will cast a shadow behind on the neck and also underneath. And I do the little detail on top of the collar with a black shadow and then underneath with a black shadow. Now I'm going to be painting the dress. I started with a lighter peach color, and then I decided it wasn't the right color, so I changed to a little bit more of a pink, and now I'm starting with the folds of the design of the dress. I'm using a brown shadow and just laying down line after line and then outlining it with black. Now I'm starting with the jacket. First, I just put down some blue all over the area that it's going to be, and then I took a darker blue to define the collar of the jacket. I then took that same dark blue and just did more of a detailed outline of the collar. I filled in with that lighter blue and then did the same for the other side. Now I'm going in with my black shadow to define the jacket a little bit more. So you're going to cast a shadow in between the jacket and the dress to make it appear as if the jacket is on top of the dress. Now I'm doing some highlights. I'm trying to make it appear as if the fabric is folding in certain areas and more realistic, so I'm adding the highlights all across the collar of the jacket and making those folds underneath. Next to the highlight, I'm going to put my dark blue, and then I'm going to start with the black shadow to define everything. I'm going to do the same to the other side, and then we're going to start with the blood. Okay, so when Elle uses her powers, she bleeds from her nose, so I just put down a red and then a red shadow, and that was it. Alright guys, so this is the final look. This is Elle, or 11, from Stranger Things. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe, like this video, and comment down below what you'd like to see next. Thank you. Bye.